Hello! I welcome you all once again to our favorite channel, and this is your online mathematics tutor, Comfort Amwakwata. I believe you enjoyed the direct and the inverse variation, and today we are here to deal with a joint variation. So pick your joters and come along with me as we go through today's class together. When you talk about joint variation, that is, one variable quantity is said to vary jointly as a number of other variable quantities when it varies directly as their product. And I believe you understand it when I talk about product. That is the multiplication of the variables. So let's pick some examples, and that is, if a variable A varies jointly as the product of the variable B, C, and D, how do we write this one mathematically? Since it is joint variation, it becomes A varies jointly as the product of B, C, and D. So in this case, you just have to change the sign and introduce your equal to sign. And the moment you do that, our constant now comes in. So this becomes where K is the constant of variation. And that is perfect. So let's take this example. The variable Z varies jointly as X and Y. That is a statement. And it goes further to say that determine the equation when the values of X and Y are 8 and 4 and Z is 12. Find the value of Z when X is 9 and Y is 8. So we first of all have to change this one into the mathematical expression. Then we use the first part of the question to find our constant, to get our new equation. And after that, we use a new equation to find the value of Z. So let's do it. In our question, it says Z varies jointly as X and Y. X and Y. So this is how we write it. Then we change the sign to introduce our constant. So where K is the constant of variation. After that, your focus is to find your constant. So let's look at the parameters given here. It says that X is 8 and Y is 4, as well as Z is what? 12. So let's do a simple substitution over here. Wherever we see Z, we put 12 over there. Wherever we see X, we put 8. And wherever we see Y, we put 4. So this becomes 12 equals 32K. We are looking for K, not 32K. So what do we do? Excellent. We divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of the variable, that is K. So this becomes over 8. After getting your k, now use it to form your new equation. So it becomes the first equation was z equals kxy. And since k is known, we substitute it into the equation to get our new equation. So afterwards, you use this new equation to solve the second part of the question, and that is find the value of z when x is 9 and y is 8. So we also do a simple substitution. So write our new equation now. So by substitution, it becomes z equals 3 over 8 times 9 and times 8. So we cancel out to get, and 3 9 is what? 27. So that is our final answer. I have some questions for you, and I know you enjoy solving them. Thank you for all the comments you've been giving. So let's try this question too. And so this is our question. Suppose that A varies jointly as B and C squared. Don't forget the square. If it is given that A is equal to 225, in the case when B is 4 and C is 3, calculate the value of A when B is 6 and C is 8. So in this case, you have to write this one in the mathematical form. Then you use the first part of the question to find your constant. And after getting your constant, you now have to write your new equation and use it to find the value of A when your B is 6 and C is 8. Thank you so much for your time, and I believe your answers will be given at the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share with your friends. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.